We are in Circuit 2 from Principles of Information Systems. My name is Orhan Ahmador. And here are my group members, Mazahir and Ahmed and Jad. We completed all the tasks. Sometimes one of the team members done the work on Blackboard and the other code and vice versa. I'm gonna give it the word to Muzaffar.
Okay, my name is Jad Mammadov. I'm a computer science major, and the issues we had while working on this project was mostly trying to understand how the current works, where it goes, why it goes there, etc. But at the end, we racked our brain through and we racked our brain a lot, and we finally understood it, and we managed to bridge through it basically. So I'm gonna give the word to Mazahir now.
I'm Mazhar Sadigov from Computer Science. Yes, we did all the three tasks, main tasks. It was about not and or. We all showed how the circuits, the current goes, how it flows, and the current power supply or other devices, tools we use. We explained through the diagrams, circuit diagrams, and Ahmed will talk.
I'm Ahmed Ahmedli. I'm a computer student. I worked on OR gate and AND gate, and we had an error, and we are as a team solved the error, and that's all.
Welcome. Today we are demonstrating a simple NOT gate circuit. A NOT gate is a fundamental logic gate that inverts the input signal. When the input is low, the output is high, and when the input is high, the output is low. In this setup, we have a switch controlling the input and LED representing the output. When the switch is open, the current flows, so the LED stays on, indicating a high output. When the switch is pressed, the input becomes high and turning the LED off, which shows a low output. The basic circuit illustrates how a NOT gate reverses the input, providing the opposite output.
Today I will explain how to build a basic AND gate circuit on a breadboard using simple components. We start by connecting a power supply to the breadboard's rails for 5V and GND. Next, place two push buttons representing the inputs of the AND gate. Connect each button to the base of an NPN transistor through 2000 ohm resistors. These transistors are connected in series, so both need to activate for the circuit to complete. The emitter of both transistors goes to ground, and the output from the second transistor connects to an LED through a 330 ohm resistor. When both push buttons are pressed, both transistors turn on, allowing current to flow and light the LED, indicating a high output. If either button is not pressed, the circuit remains open and the LED stays off. This setup simulates the AND gate logic, where the output is only high if both inputs are high. Thank you for your attention.
We can create OR logic gate by using transistor and resistors on a simple circuit configuration. We need first of all two NPN transistors, and each transistor has 3 pins: collector, base, and emitter. We connect the emitters of both transistors to the ground. We connect resistor from each base to their respective inputs. The other terminal of each switch should connect to the ground. We connect the collectors of both transistors together, connecting a resistor to the positive voltage, then connecting an LED from the to the ground through a current limiting resistors. And if both transistors are off, the output is low, which means LED is off. If one of them is high, then it will allow current to flow through the LED, which lights up, and it's gonna still work when both inputs are high. We know this from the OR logic, and we can see it.
NAND gate is a combination of AND gate and NOT gate. It outputs a low signal only when its inputs are high. Otherwise, it outputs high. First, we will build a simple NOT gate using one NPN transistor, a strong resistor for the collector and lead, a weak resistor for the base of the transistor, and some jumper wires. NOT gate will output low when the input is high, and vice versa. It was straightforward for us to build the NOT gate. Now, we are moving on to Nijat.
Now, as Zara mentioned, the AND gate is a combination of the AND gate and the NOT gate. As they have already made the NOT gate, it's our turn to make the AND gate to complete the NAND gate. For the AND gate, we'll need 3 NPN transistors. There are 3 weak resistors for the transistor's bases and collectors, 1 strong resistor for the LED and collector, and of course some jumper wires.
So, how do we combine those?
Simple. We just remove the input buttons from the NOT gate.
And the lead in the AND gate.
So finally, the inputs will be on the AND gate's breadboard.
And our indicator, which is LED, will be on the NOT gate's breadboard.
And that's how we made the AND gate work as a team.
Tamam. Düz.